Stop counting the days lost in the rhythm.
So, get this. A group of researchers embarked on an epic expedition through the treacherous Cyclops Mountains in Indonesia's Papua province. And guess what they found? A creature that hasn't been seen in over 60 years. Can you believe it? The creature in question is called Attenborough's long-beaked echidna. It's a strange-looking mammal covered in quills with powerful digging feet. And let me tell you, it's a symbol of the incredible biodiversity that can be found in the Cyclops Mountains. Now, this expedition wasn't a walk in the park. The 25-person crew had to battle malaria and earthquakes, and one poor student researcher even had a leech stuck in their eye for a whopping 33 hours. Talk about dedication. The Cyclops Mountains, which cover less than 90 square miles, have been plagued by illegal hunting for years. And unfortunately, they're the only habitat for the critically endangered Attenborough's long-beaked echidna. This creature is so endangered that it's on the International Union for the Conservation of Nature's Red List of Threatened Species. But here's the exciting part. The researchers deployed over 30 camera traps to find the echidna, and they finally succeeded on the last day of their expedition. Can you imagine the relief and euphoria they felt? It was like finding a needle in a haystack. Now, here's the sad truth. The echidna's critically endangered status is unlikely to change anytime soon, and it's not even protected under Indonesian law. But the researchers are determined to change that. That's why they partnered with over 6 local groups, including indigenous communities, students, and the Indonesian government. They hope that their findings will help raise funds to research and protect the Cyclops Mountains. And get this. The Attenborough's long-beaked echidna is one of only 5 species that have a unique and fragile evolutionary history dating back over 200 million years. These creatures, known as monotremes, are the only group of mammals that lay eggs instead of giving birth to live young. There are only 5 existing species of monotremes, including the platypus and 4 species of echidna. Losing any of these species would be a tragedy for biologists and the world. But wait, there's more. The researchers also made some other incredible discoveries during their expedition. They found hundreds of new insect species, at least 2 new species of frogs, and even a new species of shrimp that lives on land and in trees. Talk about a jackpot. The Cyclops Mountains owe their incredible biodiversity to their unique geologic origins. These mountains used to be islands in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. As the Earth's continents gradually drifted together, they collided with the mainland of New Guinea, forming these majestic mountains. Oh, and one last thing. The researchers also rediscovered a bird species called Mayer's honeyeater, which hadn't been seen in 15 years. So, all in all, this expedition was a huge success, uncovering rare and endangered species and shedding light on the fascinating history of the Cyclops Mountains.